Guys, hi, part 2. It's getting crazy.
Post it yet.
I just posted it. It takes a couple seconds. She's trying to watch the firework video.
I really
part
want
1.
to watch it.
Ryan. Here, take some colors. Yeah, but go share. Guys. Oh, I'm blocking the camera. It takes a couple seconds. Seriously, why does my house look like Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig's house. Are you watching YouTube? Are you watching my shorts? Come on. City fireworks are doing a lot. Wait, there's some big ones. I'm keeping it this zoom so it's actually. Oh! That scared me. Wow! I'm so glad I got that on camera.
Whoa, I did not see that, but after the sound.
You can watch my video. By the way, here's Ryan. Say hi. Ah! That's her way of saying hi.
Just came in my face.
Oh yeah. I hope you guys can see because I'm trying to perch you up. Ryan, let me see your phone. I can help you.
No, I want to watch your favorite videos.
Okay.
I like those ones that go over there.
Yeah. Flip your
I like
screen.
those little screaming missiles.
Flip your screen. Telling you, left has the best ones. Okay, hi. Left has the best ones. Best fireworks. Look at, can you see the stars? You can see. I thought you were watching my fidget videos. Ryan?
You didn't do your favorite one first.
I did. Ryan? Ryan, give it to me. I'll show you. Holy cow, I gotta go like this.